Cramer, that's what Robert calls on. He's saying the stock tender buy, sells and sell. Just because of the core stock questions that time by stand prices of graphics and buy. You plan to sell. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Skinny? Light round comes. Let's start with Sharon in Minnesota. Sharon.
Hey, Jim. It's Sharon. I'm a member of your club, and I really appreciate
Thank you so much.
But anyway, I wanted to ask about what is best of breed between Flutter and DraftKings. I'm going back and forth and just wanted to hear what you thought.
Well, you know what? As you get closer to football season, we start seeing a lot of daily fantasy. We start seeing a lot of people playing, betting on these games and betting on every quarter of the games. It's going to be very good for Flutter, which is a very well-run company. I would actually buy the stock. Let's go to Mario in Virginia. Mario.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
I would like your thoughts on AST SpaceMobile. The stock has been going up and up and up. Am I late for this bull run?
Let's ring the register on that one. I mean, honestly, that's the kind of thing that I don't like. That's what worries me about the market, is things like AST. I mean, that just stuff just doesn't, it can't continue. Let's go to Harold in Wyoming. Harold.
Hi, Jim. I'm Harold from Wyoming. My question's about PayPal. In the past 3 weeks, the stock price has improved greatly. Can you tell me what or why the price is improved?
I'll tell you why. The financial techs have come back in style, and Alex Chris is a very good manager, and that's what's driving us. Let's go to Lewis in New York. Lewis.
Yes. Jim
Lewis,
Cramer?
you're up. Yes, this is Cramer.
Okay. First of all, let me give you a little tip. You left some money out by the state controller. It's under Cramer, Berkowitz Company, payee Jim Cramer from 2002.
Really?
I hope. Yes.
How much? Is it a lot?
It doesn't tell you. You have to look it up.
I'll go look that up. Hey, let's check on that. Let's check. Ben, can you make some calls, sir? All right, good.
Okay. So my question is LQDA, Liquidia, with United Therapeutics filing a lawsuit against the FDA and the FDA ruling in United's favor against their own rules.
Man, I'll tell you, that is just such a dice roll. It's been going down. The only outfit that really covers it is H.C. Wainwright. They took a lot of this one is just too much of what I would say a black box. But I will check into the 2002 Cramer Berkowitz return, because maybe that's the kind of thing that could just make it so I can retire. Highly unlikely. Let's go to AJ in Colorado. AJ.
Hey, booyah, Jim from the beautiful Rocky Mountains. How you doing?
Oh, man, I love it out there. How can I help you?
Well, first of all, I want to thank you for giving me the education and, most of all, the confidence to make my own stock decisions.
It is about confidence.
You and NVIDIA have done it for me. Thank you so much.
All right. Now, remember, NVIDIA reports next week. I can't promise you anything, but we'll have more on that. But I will tell you this. We can keep working together because of the comments you just gave me, because I want to inspire confidence when it's based on homework. Confidence when it's not based on homework, very dicey. Based on homework, that's where the strength comes. How can I help?
Okay, I bought a small portion of a stock a few years back. I thought it'd be a great infrastructure play with a fantastic yield, but it's just been bouncing all over the place. Should I buy more, hold, or sell DCI?
I'm not a fan. In the old days, we made some money for the Charitable Trust. I am so glad we sold it and we never looked back. It just is not enough well-run management there. Good yield, but we need more than that. Let's go to Harish in Virginia. Harish.
Hi, Mr. Jim. How are you?
I am good. How about you, Harish?
Great. I'm watching your show long time. So my question today is Tesla. You know, I have
Tesla.
some
Ever since
positions.
180, I've been saying Tesla's an up stock. I don't really care what people say anymore, because what happens is this man is now the master. He is going to tell about how it's a technology company. It's no longer just a car company, and people will lap that up. That's what they do. They lap up every word that he says. They can't show any rationality. They will not think about maybe it can't happen with the self-driving cars. They just said if he said it, then it must be right. Boy, we all wish we had that, don't we? Let's go to Karen in Ohio, please. Karen.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. First, let me thank you. First, let me thank you for sharing your knowledge and experience and making me a happy investment club member.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you. I'll tell Jeff Marks, too.
But before becoming a member, I had an advisor that put me in a pretty sizable position in FAST. I've had it.
Huh. Kind of a boring fastener, plumbing, lubricant. Look, I don't mind those kinds of companies at all. I wouldn't have a use position, but that's fine, and it's done okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, a new drug from Eli Lilly could be a weight loss game changer.
I think this is a profound result.
Find profits in the pipeline. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.